So what's up everyone, it's Tony at Casa Esmeralda, and today I'm going to be harvesting olives. So I want to get into that. This is the tree I posted on my social media. It's probably one of my better trees because it's beside my greenhouse, and because there's natural well water in the ground. As long as it's in the ground, that's the thing, is that it's got to be old water and stuff. So then you get a tree like this where you get hundreds and hundreds of olives. So this is possibly my best tree. I will probably get about 2 large buckets full of olives out, so about 25 kilos of olives out of this one tree, which will be anywhere about 10 liters, about 10 to 15 liters of olive oil out of this one tree. So that's all good. Tractor's running good. I did a lot of the bugs out of it and stuff like that. There was the old backup lamp, and the guy I got the tractor for, he cut like several 3-4 wires. So I did a whole entire new wire line to that, and I put a new backup light on, which is right there. And then I put a new dash light on, and the dash light works absolutely super, from Lucas. And then this was one of the Italian ones. So everything just warmed up, and I'm warmed up the tractor already. Don't need to show you that. And this is all set to go. It's working on battery power, so I can use my battery on my tractor, so I can run the tractor and waste fuel, or I can charge this by solar. I can use my solar power right now, so I charge it, and I have another battery, and I kind of switch in between, which is charging right now. So I can just basically go all day and use several different options. I have several different options using the battery, one side of the battery tractor, and then using solar power and things like that to keep this going. So this runs off of a 12-volt system. There are ones you can run off a compressor. They are really expensive. This is the more economical method, and I'm using Jet Sky off of Amazon. So I just wanted to show this is not sponsored by anybody or anything like that. I just saw this on Amazon. It was on sale, so I got this about a week and a half ago. And this will possibly be my 50th tree now. So I'm only doing about 10 trees a day, because most of my trees are about half this amount of olives and then the other half. And here are my olives. So these are some already that I've done this morning, because my day started at like 5 o'clock, and I can get like a whole bin. With 10 trees I can get like a whole bin. So like, and this is like considered like 1 truckload then, right? And then you can get about 50 out of 1 bin. You can get about 50 liters of olive oil in itself, and it's all mixed olives and stuff like that. So this one here, some of the black olives, which are really good, and the black ones are the extra virgin, and the green ones are kind of the ones that are like the olive oil. So all these ones, they will be sorted. At the mill, they have people there and everything. They will do all the sorting, and then some of the leaves will come out and everything like that. So this is, you know, how they do it. And there's a big machine there and stuff like that. Possibly we'll get onto filming that if the mill manager allows me. And then so those olives, the black ones and everything, came off this tree. This tree is my as one guy said to me over there, so this is your solid gold tree, because this one here is the highest producing extra virgin olive. Some trees are not extra virgin, things like that, because like these ones are like green. A lot of them are actually green. There's some black and things like that. I could wait longer, but I want to get as many olives in at one time, right? Because I just can't stand here and sort like black and green and everything. I just go from tree to tree to tree and get as many olives done in a day as I can. So let's get on to harvesting the olives. I got my olive nets down here and everything, and we're just going to do that for like 10 minutes, and you can watch me, and then I can get on to watering my garden and things like that. So that I do want to get this out of the way so I can get on to watering my garden and everything else around here. Okay. I have to possibly move the camera back a bit here to this spot. There. That's pretty good. And then you get a nice pan of everything. Okay. 2019 olive harvest. Incredible. Hey! 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 Whoa! Whoa! Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? No! Bro, no! Bro, no! Hey! Bro, no! Bro, no! Bro, no! Get out! Out, out, out! Bro, no! Get out! Now you ruined all of that setup. Okay, let's give this another try. We gotta set up these nets here. Okay. We'll kind of pull this more out here. That's a good yank. There we go. Onward. You have to know your olive trees when you're harvesting with this tool, because all of this is heavy duty plastic nylon, and this thing can break. So if you don't know a lot about trees and how branches grow and everything like that, you can just easily snap this whole thing right off. So you got to be really gentle and just be patient and take your time. But as you can see, like on my trees, I didn't water any of these trees here, and I did some filming the other day, and I've had problems with YouTube. It's taken me like 3 days to upload video. It's been like really slow here since the beginning of summer. Actually, I've had problems. It's just where I live, and sometimes the internet connection is not very good. But anyways, on to I didn't water any of these trees, so a lot of the olives are just hanging on the tree, and they're hanging still very rough onto the tree. Even though there's lots of sunshine and everything, so the olives are already tart and bitter and have the antioxidant in them to really fall off the tree. This is all good. This is perfect olives actually. There's nothing wrong with harvesting light green olives or anything like that. It's just as I said before, like the extra virgin is the one that are all black and everything like that. So some trees they will just produce an all black olive, and some trees they will produce more of a green olive, and you'll have to wait a long time on the all green olive trees to get black or to get to a violet color, and then possibly your olive harvest season is already done and over. So out, out, hey, hey. Go now. Hey. Go now. Go now. Ho! Ho! No! 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 Got a little close-up shot here. Go like that. Maybe like a side shot. There we go. Out, 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 out. Go now, out! Out! Go! So this tree is gonna give me about 40 kilos of olives. So over 20. This is really good. This is absolutely excellent. You got to have more trees like this. It's perfectly always in the sunshine all the time, next to a greenhouse. It's got a little bit of well water all the time coming through the ground, through the roots. So it's not the watering above. It's really to do with the roots and the tree will just fruit itself. So this is a lot. This is a lot, and I'm not even done half the tree yet. So it will be interesting to see on how much olives I get, but wow. And these are very good, like the color and everything in them is very good, as I said like the other day, and the oil content is very good. Let's take an olive here and we can press it in the sunshine and it just spurts right out. You saw the olive oil just come right out of there. So, and you see the glistening. That is absolutely incredible. If you see a very high goldenish glisten and stuff like that, it's very good on your hands and your face right now. If you got dry hands, just do this and absolutely incredible. So Bruno, you want to say hi? Huh? You want to say hi to everyone? Bruno, come here. Or Frida, come here. Come here. Hello. Shh. Okay, come on, sweetie. No. Come on. Let's go here. Okay. As you can see over there. Okay, so I'm just going to continue on working here. I thought I'd share with you on how I harvest my olives. I hope I've inspired you to go outside and do things on your own, like this, to plant and grow your own food. Please do like and subscribe, hit that like button down below, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care and bye for now.